Intro hook. 0 o'clock to 0:20. Alright riders. Today we're talking about a motorcycle that has been flying under the radar, the Lifan KPR 200. This little 200cc sport bike is fuel injected, has a 6-speed gearbox, and comes in at a price point that'll make you wonder why more people than know about it. The catch. These things can be tough to get your hands on. Let's break it down. Segment 1. First impressions, design. 0:22, 1 o'clock. Sleek sport bike design. Mention fairings, aggressive stance, comfortable ergonomics for daily riding, not just track use. Feels like a bigger bike than 200cc when you sit on it. Line. The KPR 200 Dosen T look like an entry-level bike. Looks like a bike twice the price, and that's part of its charm. Segment 2. Performance and specs. 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. 200cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, smooth 6-speed gearbox, capable of highway speeds good, balance of city plus open road, lightweight and agile for new riders. Line. Don't let the 200cc badge fool youth. Thing can handle commuting, weekend rides, and even light touring. And with fuel injection, you get reliability and efficiency. Segment 3. Price and value. 2 o'clock to 2:40. Affordable compared to Japanese. 250s, 300s. Insurance friendly, especially for beginners. Great entry bike for riders who don't want to drop $6,000, $7,000 right out the gate. Line. For the price of a used car, you're getting a brand new sport bike with modern features. That's hard to beat. Segment 4. The struggle availability 24320. Venom Motorsports is the main distributor in the US Solid Company. But hard to reach, sometimes your honest experience creates a bit of frustration for people who want to support them. Line. Venom Motorsports. If you're watching this, we love your products, but riders need easier access and communication. You've got a gem here, don't let it get overlooked. Segment 5. Final verdict and call to action. 3:22, 4 o'clock. Great entry-level or commuter bike. Affordable, efficient, stylish, and fun. Needs better availability and support to really blow up. Line. So here the bottom line, if you're looking for a budget-friendly sport bike that doesn't feel cheap, the Lifan KPR 200 is a hidden gem. Venom, hit me up, let's get more riders on these bikes. Output. Drop a comment if you've ridden or tried to buy a KPR 200. Hit that like button if you want more reviews like this. And subscribe because we've got a lot more real-world motorcycle content coming up.